Then they were also the standing cells, 70 by 70 centimeters, brick walls on all sides, like a closet made out of bricks, not even tall enough for a person to stand in, so you have to crouch in there like this, sometimes for weeks. So this is a place of immense suffering. YIGO, German cemetery. Why? Because of course once the bodies were burned, the Nazis didn't care anymore. The SS dug out trenches or just dumped the ashes anywhere, so we are literally walking on graves. First, up until the 40s, there was no there, but then in the 40s their capacities were not enough, so the SS built this small crematorium over here. Once this was no longer enough, they built this whole building. It's called Barrack X. Why X? Secret. This was the most secret part of the whole concentration camp. So not even high-ranking Nazi party officials were allowed to visit this part. This was super off limits. So Barrack X. What do we have in there? At the end, or at the beginning if you want to go inside later, we do have gas chambers that were for disinfection. That's where they disinfected the clothing from Auschwitz. Then we do have two actual gas chambers, or one. You can see those holes in the wall over there. That's where